Alright, November 17th, and we're backtesting 2023 again. We're doing June 26th to June 30th. Alright, we'll get into it. So, start by marking out key levels. We have an hourly unfilled here on ES, and then we have these lows on NQ. The hell? These lows on NQ. Monday 6. Or 9:15. Let's see if price can get down to these lows. Coming off of anything? We're inside of this hourly and respecting this hourly. We got London low here. We got SMT at the highs. Oops. Alright. Pump higher. Oh, we have an hourly here too. Okay, no 2-minute inversion here. Okay. So now we're in this hourly for value gap. And we also tap into that hourly for value gap. We have this buy side up here, so if we're going to continue being bullish, probably going to go to this high. Alright. Did I just miss a setup because I played a 5-minute candle on accident? Eh. Did get this 30-second inverse, but we also took out the break-even high. So I don't know if I would have taken that. Good sweep liquidity though. It'd be more discretionary to take this, even though it hit break even already. 1R would be right here. You probably wouldn't even go break even. It's a 30-second inversion. Super close to TP. But yeah. 954. Let's see. Alright. So we have this buy set up here. I want to see price continue to. And then we have a 15-minute fair value gap about to open up right here. And we just tapped into this 5-minute fair value gap. This would be a continuation of the buy side level up here, which is unmitigated on NQ or ES. Do not have a 2-minute. Can we get a 1-minute inversion? Yeah, we get a 1-minute inversion here. And I do like this inverse. Checking this internal liquidity here. And then we have these relative equal highs. There's also this high right here. Yeah, I'm gonna take this. It's pretty clean rejection off that 5 minute fair value gap. Stop is gonna be at the low. I'm gonna go for 1 hour here. Break even at the high. Let's break even right there. Wow. Okay, I got hit break even. Tap the 15 minute. See if we can get a inversion now to the upside. Get a resweep of the low. We have this 30-second here. It's actually a pretty good setup if we get it inverse. Oh, barely inversed. This would be a 3 minute. This would be a 3 minute setup. After tapping into the 15 minute. Bro, this would have been such a fire 30-second, but we just couldn't close above it. So, I'm gonna wait for this 3 minute here to get inversed. Okay, we don't inverse it. It's what, 10:30? Okay. 10:30, we missed that buy side above. See if we dig lower to this 15 minute here. We do. We get an inversion. We don't. We just continue going lower. Now we have SMT at the low. Yeah, SMT at the low. So I might call it here. It's what, 10:40. See what price wants to do. Let's see. $10.57, 11. Yeah, I'm not taking that. Yeah. Alright, nothing for me today. Break even. Continuation of this high up here, unmitigated or not swept on ES or NQ. Pull back into a 5 minute fair value gap. And then we get that 1 minute inversion. Break even at this high. And then going for 1-to-1. Got break even. And then was looking for a 30-second here. Couldn't get that. We took out the high before we could get an entry. And then we also tapped into 3 minutes. So I was waiting for a 3 minute inversion. And then we just dumped lower. Alright, we got 10 a.m. news. Got some low resistance liquidity down here. And we have this hourly gap, hourly intermediate term high here. We have SMT there as well. 4 hour gap. Shitty close. Would be this 3 minute here, but yeah, no, that price action is nasty. I'm gonna wait for a condition to get created. Nothing. Actually, that was actually a trade there. Not the most obvious. The 2 minute fair value gap here. We accumulate. 10 a.m. manipulates this high. We get SMT here. And then we get the 2 minute inverse right here. Stop will probably be right there. Go for 1R. Yeah, that's honestly the trade. No break even here either. Oh wait, the draw got hit. Oh wait, no, it got hit at the same time. Yeah, no, that's a pretty solid trade. A little bit of a accumulation, manipulation. The distribution took a little long though, I will say. Inversion took, after manipulation, inversion took 6 minutes, so not the best setup. But it's 10:30 now. Held this 5 minute here. Got LRLR. Sell side still intact. We got SMT at the lows too. And we're coming off. Okay, we got SMT inside of this gap. I'm not gonna take this short. Let me just move sideways. Alright, nothing for this day. Got SMT within this hourly fair value gap here. So it's a pretty high resistance low. Not trying to target that. Go to next day. Alright, we got an hourly unfilled gap here. Hourly unfilled gap right here. Couple buy side levels. We took out London high. Hourly unfilled here. See how price plays out. About it. Yeah, we got SMT at this low. Let's pump higher. Alright. After the SMT, we pump up into this 15-minute fair value gap and a 15-minute intermediate term high. See how price reacts. Okay, we open up a 5-minute here. I'm gonna long. I'm gonna target these highs. See if we can even get a pullback. No pullback. We got buy side up here. It's the clearest strong liquidity. Let's have a 15-minute unfilled gap. No inverse. Bruh. Okay. Got this 15-minute. We still have this buy side here. Alright, we open up a new 5-minute after tapping this 15-minute, but drawn liquidity is still intact, being that buy side. We do have SMT at the highs. Let's see what price does here. Alright, we took a buy side. continue pumping. We got these equal highs here. It's 10 a.m. Oh, it's 10:33. Ugh. 10:52. We're not gonna get anything. That's 11. We're gonna go to next day. Alright, we got this hourly for value gap here. And we're not coming off of anything down here. We got SMT at the highs. Just got this hourly. We also have this hourly for value gap down here. Alright, we'll see if price can come back into this 15 or hourly for value gap in 15-minute intermediate term lows. Got 10:30 right there. Tap, we sweep London low here. Do have S&T at the highs. We'll see what price wants to do here. Don't really have a bias. We're not coming off of any gaps. We don't have any gaps to go into. The highs aren't coming off of anything. The lows aren't coming off of anything. Kind of a weird range. Just a weird range. Not entirely bullish, not entirely bearish. Let's see. Okay. So no gaps, but we have sell side down here. We have 5-minute. Do have this 5-minute intermediate term low that price did sweep. Coming off this 5-minute gap. This 30-second inversion. This 15-minute full gap. I mean, there's potential for price to come higher off this 30-second, but it's not something I would take. Not fully confident in it. We're not coming off of a significant gap or anything that I like. So I'm gonna fade this one. It could go up here though, for sure. But if I were to take this, that's break even. And see if it ends up hitting. Doesn't. Completely missed the 15-minute. We do have SMT there. We're holding this other 15-minute for value gap. Don't have an inversion. Just chopped up for a little bit. Alright, now we're getting a reaction. Sideways. Fat dump out of nowhere. This is Thursday, so we had 10 a.m. news and 8:30 news, but nothing so far. Let's see, okay. We have these lows right here. This low resistance liquidity. All these stacked lows down here. See if price can continue down there. Want to see a 5-minute for value gap or something open up. Okay, we got the 5-minute for value gap. We have sell side down here. So we got this sell side. No 15-minute. This 5-minute here. Okay. This 5-minute for value gap. We got this 1-minute inversion. I do like the inversion. We do have S&T at the lows. I do like this wick though. I'm gonna try this short out. Inversion was nice. Targeting this low here. I'm gonna play these on the 1-second chart or 1-second time frame. Can I even play it? Oh, there we go. So this is the 5-minute candle. It's playing out. Okay, so that's 5-minute. So this low is where I'd have to go break even. This is gonna be my break even low. Go back on the 1-second. No, I'm at 5 seconds. Ooh. Hit break even. 5-minute gap, or the 5-minute gap. Did it hit me break even? Yeah, it hit me break even. Alright, okay, but we did get that 5-minute inversion. What time is this? 10:29. Awesome. We do have S&T here. We ended up getting this 5-minute inversion, but it was pretty choppy to get that inversion. But we came up, respected this BPR. I'm gonna test this out. I'm gonna put my stop up here and go for just this low here. I'm gonna go half size on this one. Oof. That was a close one. So I was just targeting that, went half size. Nice. So, the reason why I put my TP or my stop up here is because price came up, had the CISD here. Not really CISD, but we had this inversion and then we held the BPR and then we get this CISD here. So I was expecting this order block to hold price. Which technically, I mean, kind of did. I don't think we respected CE of this though. Yeah, no, we didn't respect CE of it. But yeah, came super close to TP, and obviously just held through it. But yeah, pretty discretionary. I would say it was really choppy setup. It is the entry was at 10:30, and then we already dropped how many points from up here, like 150 points. And then the 5-minute inversion wasn't the cleanest as well. But really just going with the lower time frame analysis with the CISD, and then the draw liquidity being these low resistance lows down here, and this is the internal low. So half size win on that one. Go to next day, final day. So Friday at 8:30 news. Got buy side here. We got this 4-hour for value up here. Coming off this high. We have SMT at this high, but it doesn't concern me. It's not that significant on ES. We did tap in this 4-hour gap, but we're still bullish. Alright, so if we're going to continue this bullishness, I'd want price to tap into this 15-minute for value gap. End up holding this 5-minute here. Oh, but it's a 9:30. 9:30 came down. We took out the high. Okay, no trade there. We take out buy side. We tap into the 4-hour. Okay, we tap into the 4-hour here. Also an hourly. And a 15-minute gap here. So I want to see how price reacts from here. Let me mark out the hourly too. Hourly here. 5-minute. Let's see. Oh, 5-minute. All right. Let's see what the price wants to do here. Okay, we react right here. This 5-minute unfilled gap here. 15-minute way down here. It's 9:50. Let's see. No 2-minute. What if we have a 3-minute here? We have a 4-minute about to open up too. 3-minute doesn't get tapped yet. So potentially we get a resleep of this high. And then we continue going lower. So if you were to enter, your entry would have been right here. That's break even. Then you would have gotten hit break even. So accumulate. You got 10 a.m. open right here. Open up, sweep these highs here. That'd be perfect. Alright, just pump higher. Might have been a trade here. It was really choppy though. I don't think I would have taken anything here, especially because we're near 10 a.m. and we're coming off this hourly and 4-hour gap. Even though we get this pullback to this 5-minute, I wouldn't take this inversion. It's 10:20. See what our draws are. Where are we going? Alright, draws pretty far. It's pretty far to this buy side level. Got all these highs here. This is only clear draws for me right now. See if we get a continuation long to there. We get this rejection. This 5-minute for value gap right here. You also have this 15 minute. No. Oh, we swept it. I thought we didn't sweep it. Let's see. Do we have 2-minute? No 2-minute, no 3-minute. Alright, so this is gonna be a 1-minute inversion. I thought we didn't sweep this low, but we did. We also get this internal sweep right here, so this looks pretty solid. After tapping the super shallow sweep into that 15-minute. And yes, has equal highs. Bias is still bullish to this buy side level. It's 10:35. Alright. Be a long right here. Alright, yes did tap into the 15-minute as well, and we're holding this 5-minute too, so looks like a pretty good setup for this buy side here. Got stopped here. It's 10:51. We did generate more LRLR. We re-sweep this low that tapped into the 15-minute, and then we get this immediate V-shaped reaction. So I'm gonna do another re-entry here. Stop at C of the wick. Same target. See if I get burned. It is 10:51, so a little risky. Not expecting good price action. Alright, I got burned. It's 11. Yeah, we end up chopping up. We eventually get there? Maybe? Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. I didn't do half size for the second trade. Alright, there we go. Real time? Probably wouldn't take this trade. Just want to see if it worked out because mechanically the setup's good, but time was not on my side. 10:51. I personally don't like trading anytime. Anytime past 10:50. I've lost a lot within the 10:50, 11:10 macros, so I usually avoid it. And 11 is when New York AM New York AM is over, so after this loss, I'd honestly rate this loss right here pretty A plus. A, actually. Pretty A. Hold the 5-minute for a value gap. Tap into the 15-minute for a value gap. Only thing I'd say it was really shallow tap, but just the reaction that we got off of it, and then we get that 1-minute V-shape inversion after tapping into it. So pretty solid setup. And the second trade, took it just to take it, just to see if it would work, but didn't work. So good setup. Good loss in my opinion. And I think it's Friday. Okay, that's Friday. Alright, that's all. Later.